Come test drive the 2016 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, ashtray, cargo net, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, carpeted floor mats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.